So we found Sejal and Milestone through a friend of mine who had used her services to do the landscaping of her villa, and I absolutely loved what Sejal had done for her house, and so I decided to call Sejal over. We fixed up a meeting, and in that meeting I explained my requirements to her, which I found Sejal understood them very quickly, and she showed me some designs she had done for other villas in Dubai. I loved each one of them, so I was very confident that we were going with the right company. And once the work started, I think one of the best things about her team is that everybody knows the scope of the job very well. So if you talk to the electrician, or you're talking to the tiling guy, or you're talking to the guy laying the pipes for the irrigation, everybody is on the same page. They all work very well together as a team, and nobody has any confusion or doubts about the scope of a job. So that gives me, as a client, it gave me a lot of confidence. In fact, while the work was going on, we were traveling for about 3 to 4 weeks, and when we got back, the work was done on time, on schedule, as per our requirements. There was nothing that had gone wrong. So I mean, it was an excellent project that went off very smoothly. And the special quality about Sejal's services, I think, is that she has a supervisor who's there every single day on site to overlook the boys, to make sure everybody is doing their jobs as they're supposed to, and with the result that our project was delivered 2 to 3 weeks prior to schedule, within budget, and everything just was done exactly as we wanted it to be. So my husband and I, actually, we're both very happy with Sejal's services. We're enjoying our garden because of Sejal, and we'd be happy to recommend Milestone to anybody.